Y'all check out these sunglasses. This is a pair of Loop sunglasses. The model number is XL18507. So I don't have a lot of metal frame sunglasses, but this is a nice pair right here. These have a they have a smoke tinted lens from the inside. The exterior lens has a little bit of a mirror to it, not much. It's almost kind of like a see that purple sheen coming off of it. And these glasses have the spring hinges. So what I mean by that is the arms will flex outward. So if you got a big head or something like that, the arms have got a little bit of flex. So with the spring hinges, they also, you know, you kind of, there's no in between. It's a good feeling hinge. You have adjustable nose pieces. You can bend on them and try and make them fit your nose, whether you got a narrow nose or wide nose. This is a nice pair of Loop sunglasses here. These are actually pretty good quality glasses. I've had some that I've ordered before, some of the cheaper brands that just they didn't suit my needs. But these are pretty nice glasses. I don't know why I've been able to hold on to them for as long as I have, but I have several pairs still available. These are some nice shades. Kind of not a big lens to it, but I mean, they're not tiny. They're not big like a pair of aviators. And the frame is like a gunmetal gray. And these earpieces here, these are rubberized earpieces, and they have some grippers here on the inside, and they kind of curve to fit your head, so they stay on pretty good. Appreciate you looking at my glasses that I've got shown here. I'm going to have a couple of pictures, and then I'll have a link in the description so you can get a pair if you'd like. I appreciate you looking at my video, and have a good one. Thanks. Bye.